presentation, short. So remember that this grapheme is not pronounced. This is not pronounced. Okay, so you say could, should, would, good, look, book, foot, put, push, pull, pull, sugar, would. Same thing, same word, right? Okay, so we get, for example, rude, could, he, should, would. So when you're producing this vowel sound, your lips, the sound lasts longer. Your lips are more protruding, are pushed forward, right? The shape of the lips is more rounded, right? Ooh, ooh. That when you say ooh, as in look, book. Okay. Questions? Okay.
Sorry, teacher.
We're going to discuss this and we're going to the listening quiz. Now we go to the listening quiz. So what I want you to have for this listening quiz, it's something like this. Okay? Ready? Okay, 30 seconds to get ready for this listening quiz. Fifteen seconds. That's all right. In the other class, I had a guy who was listening to Mexican music the whole class. And I think it was the student listening to Mexican music aloud. So snoring is all right. I can take it. I can take it. I have I have taught in elementary and high school, so I have seen pretty awful behavior. So this is all right. Even funny. Okay. Ooh and ooh. All right. Ooh as in the color blue, blue, and as in the verb put. Blue put. Blue put. All right. So I'm going to stop sharing now because I don't want you to listen to see the words. And here we go. Ready? Here we go. Okay. Number one, pull, pull, pull.
No estoy viendo ninguna serie.
Number two, June, June, June. Number three, tool, tool, tool. Number four, wood, wood, wood. Number five, room, room, room. Number six, good, good, good. Number seven, through, through, through. Number eight, push, push, push. Number 9, foot, foot, foot. Number 10, food, food, food. Do you want me to repeat any options?
9, please.
Number 9, foot, foot.
Number 3, please.
Number 3, tool, tool.
Could you repeat number 1?
Absolutely. Please? Pool, number 1, pool. Any other?
The fourth one, please.
Sure. Number 4, wood, wood.
Thank you.
All right, and the answers are the following. Please check them with your answers, please. Can you see them?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes.
All right. So give yourselves a happy face for this first listening quiz, having the long oo, long tense oo, and the short lax oo. Okay, so if you go and repeat them, pool, June, tool, wood, room, good, through, push, foot, food, ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, that's basically the difference. Okay. How do you feel about these two sounds? Do you feel confident?
Kind of.
Kind of. Are we all right with the slide?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So, wonderful. Okay, but one quiz is not good enough, right? One quiz is just, you know, maybe luck. Let's go for the second one. Second listening quiz. You'll have 30 seconds, and we start. One through 10, okay? Twenty seconds. Okay, here we go. Second listening quiz. Number 1, fruit, fruit, fruit. Number 2, book, book, book. Number 3, juice, juice, juice. Number 4, put, put, put. Number 5, should, should, should. Number 6, blue, blue, blue. Number 7, chew, chew, chew. Number 8, look, look, look. Number 9, do, do, do. Number 10, group, group, group. Alrighty, do you want me to repeat any of the numbers?
5, please.
5, yes. Should, should.
And the 7th one, please.
7, chew, chew.
Number 9, please.
Number 9, do, do.
Number 4, please.
4, put, put. Any other?
And 5.
Which one? 5?
Yes.
5, should, should.
And number 10.
The last one, group, group. The answers. Okay. Ready?
Okay.
Good. All right, so that was the difference between the long and tense rounded oo and the short lax rounded oo. Okay, try to always remember at least one example per sound. For example, you can, for this one, you can remember the color blue or the adjective true. Okay, true blue. And for this one, you can remember, I don't know, put, or one of the models, could, should, would, okay? So try to have some favorite words that contain the sounds so you can remember, okay? That's my suggestion. We can discuss this. How do you feel about these two vowel sounds? Do you feel more confident?
Yeah.
All right, all right.
I feel good.
You feel good. All right. That was a good one. That was a good one. All right. Writing quiz, including every single sound so far. All right.
What? No.
Yeah, I know. I know. There you are. 5 minutes. Is that right?
Okay.
Good. 5 minutes.
5 minutes what?
In the first one, you need to focus on this because you have two vowel sounds in number 1. So you need to focus on the second vowel sound. Sound tired, man. You sound tired.
Tooth. Tooth. Good.
Mm-hmm.
No, no, no. 20 seconds.
All right, guys, so let me see your answers. Let me check your thoughts. I'm going to go and share the slide again, and you let me know. Which symbol should I write in number 1? Remember, we're focusing on this one.
I think
All right.
number 6.
Number 6 would be the wedge.
Wedge.
The wedge. Any other? Don't be shy. No? Okay. Number 2.
8.
8. The long tense ooh. All right. Any other options?
7.
7. Short. Ooh. Any other? Okay. Number 3. What do you think?
Number 7.
Number
7.
7.
3rd one.
7. Next one.
4.
Number 4.
Number 4.
Number 3. Any other? No?
Number 4.
Number 4.
Number 4. Any other? Number 5. What do you think?
Number 3.
Number 3.
5.
Number 5.
5.
Number 5. The trap.
Number 6.
Number 3.
Number 6. The wedge. Any other? Number 6.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Number 3. Long A. Any other?
6.
Number 6. The wedge. Any other? Number 7.
1.
8.
8. Long U. Any other?
Number 7.
7.
7. Short U sound. Number 8. What do you think?
5.
Number 3. Number 5.
Number 5.
Number 3. Long A. Number 5. The trap. Any other? Number 9.
9.
Number 8.
8. Long U.
Long
8.
Long.
8.
Any other? And last one.
Number 7.
8.
Number 7. Number 8.
8.
So short U and long U. All right. The answers for number 1, this is correct. It's a wedge. Enough. Enough. For number 2, tooth. Long U, right? Number 3 is correct. Could. Number 4, this one is correct. Were. So it's not the same when you say, for example, where, W-H-E-R-E, because this one is pronounced with the sound E, where, and this one is were. So, for example, you can say, where were you yesterday? Where were you? Were you? Okay. Were you here? Were you? Were. Okay. Number 5, this one is correct. So you say can't. I can't wait for you. Or can't. Can't. All right. Being the first one for RP, or received pronunciation, can't, the long A, and the trap for general American. For General American, the trap is preferred. Can't, right? Number 6, the correct option would be this one, long A. So you say palm, palm, palm. It's just like when you're pronouncing the word calm, 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 okay? That you don't pronounce the sound, and this is a long A. So calm, just like pawn, okay? In the case of number 7, uh, whose, whose, long U, whose. In the case of 8, lost or last. Same thing that we were just discussing applies here, okay? For received pronunciation, lost, and for General American, last, okay? Number 9, it's correct, through, and number 10, would be, as far as I know, a short lax vowel sound, would. Does it make sense to you?
Yes.
Yeah? Did you get the idea here for number 5 and for number 8?
Yes.
Good. But,
I had more doubts with that.
but, there's always a but, okay? There's always a but. But the thing is, if you hear a speaker, let's say that you are you are in a listening quiz or a listening test, and the speaker uses a British accent. For example, if the speaker is saying, "I can't go there," "I can't go there," you have to prefer the symbol "ah," right? And if the speaker is an American speaker and saying, she can't stay. So in that situation, the trap is going to be the correct one, okay? So if it's a listening exercise, pay attention who's speaking. All right? Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Pretty unfair.
Okay. So if it's clear, I'm going to ask Cristobal Soto. Cristobal, are you there?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you. Can you explain what happens in exercise 5 and exercise 8?
The different accent.
Okay, go on.
Can't and can't. Last and last.
Okay, go on.
Mm,
Rest in peace.
Okay, we can let's ask Felipe Escobar. Can you compliment your classmate's answer? The answer was correct. He was going in the right direction. Cristobal was going in the correct direction. Felipe, can you compliment the answer?
For the words can't and last, both vowels are correct.
Mm-hmm.
The pronunciation depends of the uh, origin, like American or British.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Exactly. Perfectly said. Exactly. It depends on the speaker's accent. If the speaker accent is closer to received pronunciation or a British pronunciation, probably he or she will prefer ah, whereas an American speaker will prefer as a trap. Wonderful. Thank you so much. How did you do with the quiz? Did you do it? How do you feel with the quiz? Was it difficult for you? Was it good? All right.
So.
All right.
So. Okay, good. The more you practice, you you know, practice makes perfect is the saying. Okay, practice makes perfect. So, um, Carla Munoz, are you there?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Carla, I have two options for you all for the section, okay? For the 36 participants. For next class, which is on Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. Okay. So the first option, Carla, is another quiz, but as a homework. So you take it, okay, as a homework.
Okay.
Another writing quiz. Or the other option is that you create a short dialogue for next session.
And I have to choose?
Yes, you have to choose for the section.
Why? No, thanks. No pasa palabra.
Oh, Carla, you can do it. Carla, 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 Carla.
Which were the options?
The options are you take a writing quiz as a homework, just like the one you did, but a new one.
Okay.
Or you create a short dialogue in which you have two characters, and the characters, just like the dialogues in the LMS, they talk to each other about any topic in general for speaking practice. So you can have your dialogue, Carla. We can have Camila Jorquera's dialogue, Angela Castro's dialogue, Alison's dialogue, Alvarin's dialogue, etc. So we will have at least over 30 dialogues to practice.
The quiz, I guess.
Okay, so we go with the quiz. This is a quiz. I'm going to show it to you. You can take a picture or write it down, guys. All right, and that would be the end of the session. Okay, for today.
Okay.
Are you happy with Carla's choice?
Don't hate me.
Yes.
Yes.
Democracy.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes.
Wise choice.
A wise
Wonderful.
choice, John Donovan.
A wonderful choice.
Okay, good. Next time, guys, I promise I'm going to use an app so we can have like a voting system here. Okay, next time you all going to vote. So here, here's the. Okay. All right. So this is your homework. You take
Okay.
it. I'll see you on Wednesday. All right.
Screen capture.
All right. Okay.
Any questions so far?
No questions.
Okay.
No, sir, no question.
We good.
No, it's pretty clear.
All right. Good. Good. All right. I hope you enjoy quiet evening with your families. I hope you are not having a rough time. I hope that everything goes well with you. Take care.
You
Yeah.
too.
You too.
Bye bye.
Have
All
a
right.
good one.
See you then.
Bye,
Thank you.
Bye.
teacher.
Bye.
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 Wonderful.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.